So, science always argues for the existence of God. Let me give you one example. There's such thing called experiential knowledge and existential knowledge. Experiential knowledge is the boy counts the two sets of pennies and he says they add up to four. So he knows two and two equal four. That's experiential knowledge. He experienced it. Existential knowledge is to have the general knowledge of when something is always true. The mathematician knows that two and two always equal four. It's not that he went and counted every set of two and two in the whole universe and know that they always equal four. He has existential knowledge that two and two always equal four. Okay, so then by this premise, if we go back and we know that a cause and effect, the law in science says that no effect can be greater than its cause, meaning that everything has a cause and effect relationship. But we know because of existential knowledge that whatever is going to be the result will be less complex than the thing that caused it to be. So a bird builds a nest. The nest is less complex than the bird. And so on and so forth. You can trace this to anything. Well, no matter how complex you get, you keep going backwards and it has to keep becoming more complex. So then, because of existential knowledge, science argues that there has to be something that's greater than the universe, the complexity of the universe. This is the law of cause and effect. You keep taking the cause of the universe backwards, no matter how far you get. You know that before the universe came into existence, because of our existential knowledge of the law of cause and effect, we know that there has to be something that resides outside of the universe that's more complex than the universe. This is just one example where science always argues for the existence of God. So then, our existential knowledge tells us that there is something outside of the universe that's more complex than the universe, scientifically. So let me know what you think. What do you think about the law of cause and effect and how science always argues for the existence of God? As always, like, share, and connect.